Hello everyone, this is Crystal and welcome to my channel where I share card making techniques, sweet paper crafts, and now inspiring food ideas. And today I have a new project that I'm calling Unicorn Magic, and it's actually playing with embossing folders. And this embossing folder can be purchased for a limited time through Scrapbooking with me. So stay tuned as I show you how I made this beautiful card. First, I'm starting out with this embossing folder, and I want to make a birthday card for my granddaughter. And so I'm taking a piece of an off-white cardstock, measuring 4¼ by 5½, and I kind of put it in here kind of evenly, and it through my Big Shot. And so now it came out, and I'm taking some alcohol markers I have. These ones I have are from Stampin' Up, but you could use any kind of alcohol markers. Just make sure that they have like a fine tip on it. You don't want a wide tip at all. And I also another piece of the same cardstock that I use to scribble on so I can see what the color is going to look like. So I don't have any surprises when I go to my card. As you can see, my little strip there, I had done several different purples, trying to make sure I got the right purple. But now all I'm doing is I'm taking the fine tip of my marker and I'm just going over the top of the raised section of the embossing folder, and just evenly, and just goes make a thin line because the card will soak in the ink and it'll spread wider than what you're doing. But you don't have to be perfect, but you also don't want to get real sloppy, and it's real easy to do. So just have a light, thin touch is the best you can do. And so I did this all over the front of the card. And I'm going to fast forward this to some music so you can watch. Now you can leave the card like this if you like, but with my first card I had some really bad smudges. So I'm taking these glimmer sprays that I have, they're from Tattered Angels, mine is, and add some color to it. And I put it on another piece of paper just to kind of protect my work surface. And I'm going to spray it over my trash can. And as you see, I took the gold to it first, and it leaves some like gold splotches, and it also has like a glittery effect. So I took my heat gun and I'm drying it really well, and then I'm going to spray it with the blue and also with the pink. And so I'll do this again 2 more times. And these sprays, all the color falls to the very bottom. So you have to really, really shake it up really good to get it off from the bottom of it. Especially mine hasn't been used for a while. As you see, I sprayed it with the blue, and now I'm going back over it and drying it again. And it curled my card front, so I turned it over, try to get it to curl the other direction. And as you see, it curled the other paper that was behind it too. Now I'm going to spray it with my pink after I get it mixed up really good. And I think I went back over the trash can because I see with the blue I got it all over my work surface. And this stuff's hard to get off too. So as you see now, it has kind of like a pinkish cast to it too. I had some smudges when I did that with my first card, and so that's why I reached for my sprays. Because when you make a mistake, you don't throw your card away. You just embellish it, especially like if it's an ink smudge or something. You don't want to throw away all your hard work. Now I buy these great big poster boards of metallic poster boards, and I cut them down and I put them in like a DVD box, and I put them in there. And as you see, I saved all my scraps and stuff, so I don't throw anything away. And now I'm trimming up my cardstock front and making sure that my gold is squared, and I'll layer them on top of each other. To give it a nice, better look. And I use my guillotine cutter because it works better, because if you use a regular cutter, it kind of shreds it. And if you don't have one, just use a large pair of scissors, especially on cardstock that has already been embossed. It makes it a little fragile. And here's a tip for you too, to save paper. I want to put this gold paper behind my cardstock just for an edge of the border. I also want my happy birthday in the gold as well. So instead of using two pieces, what I'll do is I'll cut my happy birthday out of the center of my gold foil, and then I'll go ahead and put my card front on it. And you won't even notice once you put it on your card that that part is missing. So it's just a good way to save on paper, especially if you got like expensive paper that you're using. That's my project for today. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you have a comment, please, I encourage you to leave any kind of positive feedback. Is always appreciated. Bye. Happy crafting.